Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unmute accounts on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Support option. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy. In the search bar, type in mute and block and perform your search. Tap on it. Now tap on Muted Accounts. Then select the account that you'd like to unmute. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on Unmute option. And this is how you can unmute accounts on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.